Uh, so, um, so, so, yesterday I just learned about the binary search, and I do some type of to find the left one, and it's the second version of the binary search. I think it's very important to find like the first kind of target. So let's do it again. So there are two there are two there are two uh, problems, and the first is and the first and let me to have some description about this two kind of problems. And the first is the first bad version, and this problem is very interesting because it gives you a condition that you are a product manager that develop a new product. So uh, there are some version that's a bad version, and it's based on the previous version. So you need to find the first bad one, and it's the first bad version. So maybe it's about the left left one is very important because it's the first bad version, so you need to find it. So this problem I use the binary search method, and there is a API born is bad version that you can find the target. So let's us to resolve this problem. And first, it's very common that you need to set the left and the right one, so you can see the left. And because it's like the 1, 2, 3, 4 is start by 1, so you don't need to start by 0 like the index. So the left one is 1, the right is just the n. It's very easy. So it's very common. So when the n is less than 1, you just to return 1, like this example. And to and the next and the next. So while the left so there is the boundary condition, and also it's very common. You need to set the mid value. It's like the left and plus right right and minus left, and the diverse to 除怎么说？除以我操，这他妈也记不住divided by two, and uh, and then we need to find the target one. So we use this function, and if the mid is a target one, so if the mid is target one, we can just like the example. So if the mid is a target one, maybe the first bad version, and the first bad version is before the mid. So if we want to find like the range, so the right one is must before the mid. So the right one we said is equals to mid, and else else it must be we need to find the range like after the mid one. So the left one must be the mid plus 1. So then it's about the first one, so we need to return the left. So this is this problem, and it's very easy, and we use the binary search and to find the left one. And also there have a very similar problems like the 34 34, 30, 35, sorry. It's like 35. And also is you need to insert position and give authorities array of integers. It's in the target value and return the index if the target is found in the returns, and you just insert it. So this problem you don't need to find the target value because this problem just give you the target value, and you must to write an algorithm with O log n runtime complexity. So it's obviously we need to use the binary search method, and like the example. So there is the nums, and you have the target 5. So there is a target 5. So you need to find the index. So the index is 2, the output is 2, and if there is no target, so you just need to insert the target. So the nums just becomes 2, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and the index is 1. Yeah. So this is like this problem. So for this problem, because we need to insert the position, so like the insert position, you need to find like the first uh, target position and the first position. So obviously we need to find the left and return the left, and like uh, like binary search methods, and you need to set the left and the right, and the L is and the left one is 0 and the right is the nums -1. So yeah, it's very common. You need to set the binary condition and set the mid value. It equals this. It equals this. So then you need to find the binaries, and you can just like this example. So if the mid equals to the target, absolutely you can just return the target one. So you can just return the mid one. So if the mid one is large than the target, so just the mid one, if there the target is here, so the so mid is there, the target is there, so you need to find the target range. So it's bigger, so sorry, it's bigger, yeah. The mid one is the mid one is there, the target is there, so the range is before the mid. So absolutely the right range is equals to the mid -1, and the else is just is in this range. So the left one is minus is mid +1, and because you need to find the insert position, so you must to find the first one. So you just return the left. It's about the left boundary. Yeah.